All right, so December 18th was supposed to be the day. The date that kept showing up again and again as the Osmo Pocket 4 launch. And if you've been following the leaks, you already know how that turned out. The latest information points to a delay into January 2026, not because the camera itself isn't ready, but because of quality control issues tied to accessories, gimbals, mounts, add-ons, not the core device. And interestingly, that delay hasn't slowed the leaks at all. If anything, has done the opposite. A new image surfaced this week, reposted by OSA LV, and this one is more revealing than anything we've seen so far. Not because it confirms specs, but because it raises a question DJI usually doesn't raise this early. The first thing that stands out is the physical control layout. Under the rotating display, you can clearly see additional buttons. Earlier leaks hinted at this, but this image makes it hard to ignore. DJI seems to be pushing toward faster, more direct control. Less reliance on menus, more adjustments you can make by feel while recording. That alone suggests a shift in how they expect people to use this camera. Then there's the camera housing itself. It's noticeably larger than what we've seen in previous Pocket generations. This isn't a subtle change. The front end looks bulkier and more deliberate, and you can clearly spot passive cooling vents. That's an important detail. Passive cooling usually means DJI is preparing for higher bit rates, longer sustained recording, or more demanding internal hardware. Heat management becomes critical when you push performance. And that brings us to the biggest point of speculation right now. The cameras, the size of that housing strongly suggests more than a single sensor inside. Earlier leaks pointed toward a dual camera setup, possibly arranged horizontally, but looking at this image from the back, the layout actually appears vertical. That raises questions. It could still be two cameras, it could be a different internal design altogether. Nothing is confirmed yet, but the proportions don't match what we'd expect from a standard single lens pocket camera. There's another detail that's fueling this discussion. The camera on the far right of the housing doesn't line up cleanly with the rest of the design. It feels offset in a way that's unusual for DJI's typical symmetry. That's where the idea of two variants starts to make sense. When you compare this image with an earlier leaked testing unit, the button placement and housing dimensions don't perfectly match, and that opens the door to a very DJI-like move. A Pocket 4 and a Pocket 4 Pro. Same overall family, different internal hardware, different audience. To be clear, this is still speculation. There's no official confirmation. But the patterns are familiar. DJI has done this before, quietly segmenting a product line without making a big deal out of it up front. January is getting closer, and if these images turn out to be legitimate, the Osmo Pocket 4 may not be a single product this time, but a lineup. And that would explain a lot about the design choices we're seeing. For now, all we can do is connect the dots and wait for DJI to finally show their hand. That's it for now. I'll keep tracking this as more details surface.